Good morning, class. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another session of our English for Medical Science. In our next meeting, we're going to talk about an important topic, medication, its dosage, and frequency, and understanding it is essential for healthcare professionals. Before our next class, I want you to think about a few questions. 1. What does dosage mean in medication, and why is it important to know? 2. What does frequency mean when taking medication, and why is it essential to know? 3. Can you explain what the side effects of medication are, and why both patients and healthcare providers need to know about them? 4. How can patients find information about the dosage, frequency, and possible side effects of their prescribed medications? Take your time to think about these questions. There are no wrong answers. We'll talk about it more in our next class, and I can't wait to hear what you come up with. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions before then. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, class. Today, we have a lecture prepared for you. Once you've finished watching the lecture, please take some time to answer the questions related to the content. After that, I'd like each of you to take a moment to read the provided text aloud. This will help you practice both fluency and accuracy in your reading.
Medication is an important aspect of medical treatment, as it helps manage various health conditions. It is essential to take medications as prescribed by a healthcare professional, including the dosage and frequency. However, medications can also have side effects, which can range from mild to severe. It is important to be aware of these side effects and report them to the healthcare provider if they occur. Patients should also inform their healthcare provider about any allergies or medical conditions they have before starting a new medication. Proper medication management can help improve treatment outcomes and prevent adverse events.
Good morning, class. Today, you have watched a lecture on medication with its dosage, frequency, and side effects. After watching the lecture, please take some time to answer the questions related to the content. Following that, I'd like you to read the provided text aloud to practice. There are 5 questions you need to answer. Question 1. Why is medication important in medical treatment? Question 2. What is essential when taking medications as prescribed? Question 3. What are side effects of medications? Question 4. What should patients do if they experience side effects from their medication? Question 5. What steps should patients take before starting a new medication?